right, so how we doing, everyone? I'm Dario, and today what we have right here is a smart wireless camera, runs on battery and solar panel. So what it means is 100% wireless. Now it has an internal battery of 8,000 milliamp power, and with the solar panel of 5 watts, there is no more worries. Maintenance free. Put it anywhere outside. This is IP65. It's a waterproof, no matter if it rain or snow. The camera always will be powered. It uses a 2.4 gigahertz networks, so it's 100% free camera. In this video today, you're gonna learn how to install the camera, what we get inside the box, and all the details in this cool video right now. All right, so we lay out everything right in the table what we get. Well, first is the solar panel, 5 watts. And it comes with all the brackets and the screw to mount it. So no trip to the hardware store. Pretty long cable to allow you to mount it right in the roof or on the wall. Remember, like any other solar device, also is required about between 6 to 8 hours of sun. All right, so this is the cable, micro USB. Now the brackets to mount the camera, and also the cable to charge your camera. Remember, when you get the camera for the first time, I do recommend let it charge inside your house. You can use any USB charger. Let it charge for a few hours. When it's full and you put the camera, then you go and have the installation. Now, those comes with the manual, and even no guessing, whatever you need to make the hole. Comes with everything, even to mount that as well too. Now, this is the bracket to mount the camera. Now, the way you view the camera is upside down. All right. So this is your front of your camera. All right, that's antennas, 2.4 gigahertz. Now let's go and let me show you how to mount the camera. All right, to mount the camera is pretty simple. This is the front of the camera, and you're gonna use this bracket. You're gonna put it right there, and you're gonna use this up. And now, if you see that, that's the front of the camera, and that's the one you're gonna mount it around the wall. All right, the next thing is application. Pretty simple. Download the app right here, Android or Apple. Download, open the account, and ready to go. All right, now the details on the camera. All right, so this is the front. Now remember, this 2.4 gigahertz. We have right here, we have a 2 LED light. It works 2 ways. It works as a light or also as a flash or as an alarm. They have 2 type of alarm. You have an audible alarm or a flash alarm. Now the camera has infrared or night vision. So when it's infrared or night vision, remember it's in black and white. But if you want color, you can activate these lights, and when it's night, automatic comes on, and now you see color. So if you got a little bit of light, that will help you. Now also we have the indicator light right here. Now these are the motion sensors. For the motion sensor, they use infrared, so it can detect between human and other objects. We have here the lens. And like I said in the beginning, we're looking at about 1080 resolution. Real nice resolution, you will see that. Now, right in the back is for your solar power. All right, so that you're gonna connect the solar panel. Now, that's the speaker. Now, remember the camera, we can use it inside the house as well too. The only thing, if you're gonna use it inside the house, yeah, you're not gonna install the solar panel, but every few months you will have to bring it down and charge it. Now, around the top, now, memory-wise, we're going to use micro SD. You can support up to 128 gigabytes. Now, comes with the pin for reset. So what you're going to do, you're going to turn it on, few seconds. Let it go. You see that blue light. Now, the camera, it will self-test. So you need to wait. That's the whole rotation, and that's the self-test. When the camera will come back all the way to the front, and we can reset the camera. Now, why you want to reset it? Well, you want to reset it if you change the network, or if you want to restore the camera. That's the way you reset it, and I'll show you that right now. So the camera is ready. I'm going to push this down here, hold it for a few seconds, and let it go. All right. Now it reset. Now it's going to go back and do the same thing, and then you're going to hear a bell every few seconds, and that's ready to pair. All right, so now we are ready. If we look in this way, we see that blue light blinking every second, and with the bell in the background saying, okay, I'm ready to pair. So you're ready. So you're gonna click add device. We're gonna go all the way down until we find the camera. It's the one right here, all right? Because this one is a 4G, so you're gonna click right there. It's super easy, real time. We hear the sound, we power it up, we reset, we click next. Get the little music there. Yes, I hear that. All right, that's it. Next. Now you're gonna choose your network, 2.4 gigahertz network. We do that. You're gonna enter the password of your network. I already did that. We click next. Confirm password and everything. Check this out. It only takes a second. We're gonna put this in the front to tell you that's it, done. Between 6 to 12 inches, it's already done. Now we wait.
Wi-Fi connected.
It's connected. You get the first screen. And we are ready to go. Next. Now at this point, we can change the name of the camera from back. We can change location if you want. We leave it as default. Done. You're ready to go. All right, so now we have the first time now. That was the first picture. Remember, it's upside down right now because we mounted. It needs to be mounted the other way. All right. So let's look a few things right in the tab. We have what the camera has been detected. So we have a few seconds of video you can review. But right here, as we see, we can go into the configuration. We see the battery is about 50%. Make sure you charge it right at the beginning. I'm going to go into the configuration. I'm going to review that a little bit. We can see the battery level, a strong Wi-Fi, the camera is online, and it's located on the front door, and that's what it shows you right there. My first thing is motion sensor. Motion sensor is activated, and we can set it high, medium, or low. Duration 10 seconds. We can change that if you want, but we're going to leave it as a single default. We can change the resolution from standard to high definition. The cool thing, this one we can hit auto tracking. So if you activate the tracking, when somebody passes by, the camera will follow out. Whatever who passing, the camera will follow. That's pretty cool. Remember, the camera is 360 degrees. We'll leave it off as default. My next thing is sleeping settings. So we can create a schedule. We can set up that out, or we can even put in a sleep mode if we want. We're gonna leave it as default. That's it up to now there. Now we can upgrade the firmware. Automatically will let you know if it's in the firmware available. Now here we're going to be formatting the card. Remember, 128 gigabytes. We click that next. Now we have two settings here. We have the lighting settings, and there's a few things we can do here. So indicator light, we can turn it off. If you don't want the little blue light, you can turn it off. Now they have the flash, and I'm going to activate that. It's going to blink in a few seconds. So that's another way. That's an alarm. This is if somebody passed by, and when it detects, this thing is going to flash. It's going to do it in a little bit. You will see that. Now the night vision is on. You can turn it off, and they use the artificial light. It can be street light, all the light from this. Then now we have infrared mode. Remember, it's black and white. Or we have what they call it the white light mode. White light mode is a mix, and you see that? That's a flash. That's because the camera detector gives a warning to people. And by the way, I'm recording to you right now. So that's a warning. Now go back into that. We can turn on the light. I show you how to do that. I'm going to do that in a second. And then the levels of light, high, medium, low, weak. So depend. You can choose that, and you need to test that out and see how you want it. That's about there. Sounds are 100%. It has a strong speaker and audible alarm. So audible alarm, when I press there, when somebody passes by, it's going to be alarm. I'm going to test that in a second. Show you that as well too. And then we have advanced mode, anti-flickering mode. If you are connected to 110, I mean, if you're in the United States, it's going to be 60 hertz. If you are anywhere where it's 220, use 50 hertz. It's only for the street lighting. So you set it that in installation, and not much into it. And that's it. Now you can share or remove the camera. That's the configuration. Pretty simple. Now I'm going to press right here, and now we're going to connect into the camera. Real nice resolution. A few things here. I'm going to wait until it gets connected. All right, we have the connection. So here, white light. Very strong light, if you see that. So you can leave that on, or comes on automatically if you feel like. We can flip the screen. Let me flick it. So, okay, one more time, right there. All right, and alarm. Okay, I activate the alarm, but you can choose that automatically activated. Now that's normal operation. Now the cool with this, we can preset different settings up to 8 different positions. I'll show you. I'm going to go up to there. I'm going to hit right there. It's setting 1, save. You can name that. I'm going to go and putting this down again. lower, and I'm going to go that and say, now check it out. I'm going to press the first one, automatic goes up, and this one automatic goes down. So you can set it anywhere you want it. So that's the degree, and that's the record there. Now the cloud service, you can see here, we can review the videos that was pre-recorded, and you can go back in time. And that's pretty cool. If you have the car, you can also go over with the car as well too. So it is real nice, and as you see, real-time operation. We can always record, take a picture, we can mute. Now this thing has a power for the speaker. I'm going to turn it off for a second because it's too close to my phone, so we're going to get feedback. I want you to hear the volume. All right, let's go. 1 2 3 4. Hello, hello, hello. You see that? It's strong microphone with speaker as well too. We can, and it's two-way audio, so we can hear it and we can send audio as well too. And check the resolution up. Let me bring this up. All right, and let's go up this way. All right, and now we got it. All right, also we can turn the speaker from here as well too. All right, and if you see, that's super easy camera to use. One of the things I like this is just is the high resolution. They get this real time. In reality, where we can do this now, put this anywhere. There's no cables, no worries or anything. It's connected with the solar panel. Power up the camera. It's connected to 2.4 gigahertz. It's the only thing you need to do. As you see in the video, I explained to you the whole thing and how easy it is to do the setup, and a real nice resolution, a powerful battery as well too. I'll see you next time.